welcome to my channel Techno Mintra. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn how to sum the elements of an array. So basically to sum the elements of an array, the very first thing we need to do is we have to declare the elements of an array first. So over here we will be declaring the elements of the array, and then we will be declaring one variable sum. In that initially we will be storing 0, and every time the element will be getting added to it, its value will be increasing. So over here we will be applying a for loop. So over here I have already made a public class by the name of array. So we'll start. Here first we'll declare a variable. Maybe over here we'll write down 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after that int sum is equal to 0. That initially we'll be declaring it like that. Then we'll write a for loop. In that we'll write that I increment will go, and then a is less than or equal to a dot alien. So over here we are writing a for loop because what we have to basically do is we have to do the sum, and every time what we have to do in the sum, first it will start from 0, and in that 0 will do the first value, that is a0. So in that a0 index the value 5 will be stored, so it will be 0 plus 5, and then 5 will be stored. Okay, then over here we will do system dot out then sum. Then what will happen every time, in this for loop, first I value will be 0, so it will be I is less than a dot length. So a dot length is how much? 4. So 0 is less than 4, then I plus plus. So over here it will be sum initial value is 0, so 0 plus ai. So ai value over here is 5, so it will 0 plus 5, then I value will increase, then it will become I is 1 is less than a dot length. So 1 is less than 4, so it will be true. It will go over here, already in sum 5 is stored, it will be 5 plus ai. So ai value is basically 1th. So at 1 6 is stored, so 5 plus 6, then it will go up again, then it will over here I is now 2, I value is increased over here. So I is 2 is less than 4, yes, so it will come here sum plus ai. So already 11 was stored, so 11 plus ai value, so ai is a2. So in a2 7 is stored, so 2 plus 11 plus 7, so 11 plus 7 will be 18, then it will go again up. Over here I equal to 0, so over here now I will become 3 over here, so 3 is less than a length. So already over here 18 is stored, so 18 plus 8, that will be 26. It will go again here, so I value is right now 3, so 3 is less than, so this less than 3, so this condition will not come true though, so it will come out, and over here it will print this system dot out dot println and the sum value. So over here the for loop will end. So in this way 26 will be printed. So let's run and see. Sorry, over here I forget to write down the sum variable. So we have to string plus that. So did you got every time? It's because I have written it inside the loop. If we'll write down outside the loop, so it will print only once. So initially it was 5, then 11, then 18, then 26. Got it? So this way we will be doing the sum of array. In the next video we will be learning how we can do ascending or descending of the arrays. So thanks for viewing my channel. Thank you.